Who's ready for some more short hairstyles? Let's begin. First hairstyle is going to be 2 French braids, or maybe Dutch braids? Should we do Dutch braids? Let's do Dutch braids. They're gonna be little tiny braids, just kind of go like that, and they're gonna meet in the back halfway. So not all the hair, just a little bit. And I am gonna add a little bit of this Bodybuilder by Living Proof because I want a little bit more texture in the hair. It's a little too silky right now. Just kind of work that product in. I'm just sectioning off where I want the braids. Just want to make sure they're somewhat even. I'm just going to take the rest of this hair back that I'm not going to be using in the braids. And then this is where you can use any kind of braid you like. I'm just going to use a Dutch braid, which is 3 sections. And then you take the outer sections under the middle section. So under, this is where I'm going to add hair to that middle section. That's just how I like to do the Dutch braid. So under, I'm gonna leave roughly like 3 to 4 inches unbraided and secure it with a clear elastic. I'm gonna take the clear elastic off of that first one and tie these both together into one section. And now the fun part, I'm gonna take the braid apart a little bit and then I'm going to accessorize each braid with these little tiny rings. You can also use earrings, also super cheap ones, or they have specific rings that you can open up like this and then you kind of just clamp it around the braid or just on a little section of the braid. So I have gold and silver and I'm kind of going to mix match the different sizes and the colors. To hide the clear elastic, I just took a little braid clasp, braid clip, whatever you want to call those, and just secured the clear elastic and took a little bit of hair underneath the ponytail to hold it all together. I'm going to take my teasing comb, the same one that I used, the rat tail, and I'm just going to tease the bottom section just a little bit, just to kind of give it a little bit more volume. And that completes the hairstyle. I like this very Viking-esque inspired. I love the little reins in the braids, and I think the 2 little braids are so cute and they add a little something to your very simple hairstyle. So for this one, I want to do a nice deep part or side part, whatever. I'm just gonna use the rat tail part, the teasing comb. And then I'm gonna take section, just one section. I'm gonna start twisting it away from my face once or twice, then add a little bit more hair into it and twist it away. I'm gonna take a mini bobby pin and kind of secure underneath the hair so you won't be able to see it. Now I'm gonna take really pretty big bobby pins and I'm gonna do like maybe 2 or 3 of them, maybe 4, we'll see. I have silver ones and I have gold ones. I'm gonna take some of the Bodybuilder by Living Proof. I'm just gonna spray some a little bit right here in between the sections. I'm gonna take a little teasing comb. This one is by Tangle Teezer. I'm just gonna tangle it. I'm gonna tease it just a little bit. And that completes the hairstyle. It's very beautiful. It's very romantic. I like when it's a deeper part and you have one side that's kind of away from your face. It's opening up the side of the face, you know what I mean? And then utilizing really cool bobby pins that you have on hand. These, you can pretty much find anywhere. They're just very long, extra long, nice, a little bit wider bobby pins. Just makes a nice little statement. All right, let's do the next hairstyle. Kind of brushed my hair through. We have some weird kinks in our hair from the previous, but it's okay. Just gonna roll with it. All right, so this one's gonna be kind of like a very easy little chignon, but it's not a chignon. It's kind of like a French twist. It's not a French twist. You guys will get the point. So I'm just gonna take this hair. I wanna see, I'm just gonna take it out and see how much of this I want in there. So I'm leaving some of this front pieces out, as you can see. Let's see what that looks like. Let's start off with these sections. Let's start off with the crown and let's build a little bit of height, little volume. Same thing, Bodybuilder. Take my teasing comb and just tease that up just a little bit. Once I'm done teasing, I'm just gonna take a section from both sides, just kind of get as much hair as I want. You can do smaller, thicker. And then I'm gonna give it a couple of, I think like maybe 1 or 2 twists and use my little clips that I got from Etsy. They're just one of my favorites and they add a really pretty statement. And then just secure it. I put a second one in, a second clip the same size. I have the longer ones, but I put the 3.5 inch, I believe, just to kind of add a little bit of extra something, extra hold, obviously, and that's it. That completes the look. You can go back in, maybe add a couple more waves to kind of break apart the hairstyle, maybe add in some hairspray or some more texture spray into your waves, whatever else you're doing. But that completes the look, you guys. Very simple, a little bit of volume towards your roots, towards your crown, and I think this hairstyle is amazing for weddings, special events. You know, it's very simple, but very cute, very elegant. I like it. And that completes the hairstyles. Let me know what other hairstyles you guys want to see in the future. Maybe there are some inspirations, braids, buns. But for now, you guys, thank you so much for watching, spending time with me and these hairstyles, and I'll see you in another one very soon.